Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Pixel Watch 4. Now, I've been rocking the Pixel Watch 2 for a long time, and it's been my daily use. But you can also see I've been using the OnePlus Watch 2. I have the OnePlus Watch 3 that I reviewed recently at 46 millimeters, I think. Or sorry, 43. This is 46. This is 41 millimeters. This is going to be 45. So obviously differences in size we'll see. And here's my old Pixel Watch 1. So I love wearables. I'm excited for this. Yeah, so we'll try it out. So let's take a look. So this is the 45 millimeter. It runs at $550 for this one. It does come with the LTE chip built in if you want to pay that extra bucks to your carrier to include that. So that's up to you if you want that feature. Basically, do you want to be able to access the internet if your phone isn't available? So you go to the gym, or you want to go for a run and leave your phone in your car, then your watch can connect to the internet without, because it'll have its own. So there we go. There's the box. Now I'm excited to see what they do for charging, because honestly, I'm not a big fan of the charger for the Pixel Watches. I love the little doohickey they have for the OnePlus watches. That's really great. And that 2-in-1 cable, I'm loving that. Just prefer Pixel. I can't get away from it. Let's take a look here. Okay, so pull out that piece. This looks like, really wrap it all up in this fancy wrapping paper. So there is the small band, if you need a small band. What else is in here? Okay, that's just, and there's the large band. Okay. So the other piece already on it, or do I just use it with that? Okay, so that's the band. It's in black. I haven't had black before. I mean, I've been using this little cover for it, so that, and I got my kid when he wanted the the Pixel Watch original. He was using a black band, so I haven't had a black band. We'll try that out. Let's see this part. Interesting packaging. I'm not overly sold on it that it's super practical, but it's just different. Different isn't bad. And there we go. Okay. So there's a little pendant-like thing. And yes, the charger is different now. So again, a little bit of a pain. This proprietary style charging. I really like the one where I could just wirelessly charge it. That was awesome. I don't like breaking this if I don't have to, but guess it is. Ooh, there we go. Sorry. Rip. Good. Okay. I'm really just getting angry at this. Okay, so this now has a kind of sit-up style stand, which is funny because I've actually taken the charger for the Pixel Watch and got a 3D printed little thing so it sits up like this. So this one will sit and like that. So it doesn't use the back for charging, which is going to be interesting, but that is kind of cool. Okay, so how does it work? Well, let's see. This is going to go on the bottom, how I like it in mine. There. Click. And we take this guy off. Yeah. Okay. Definitely bigger than the 41 millimeter. Definitely bigger. And I like slightly bigger, so it's kind of cool. I mean, it's been a little too minimal for me in that size. Now, the interesting thing is going to be the fact that this guy goes from way back when here, 1,000 nits to 3,000 nits. So way brighter when we need. The battery really isn't that much different, unfortunately, so that's interesting. Yeah, charging is going to be a pain. because I'm going on a trip next weekend, and am I gonna unplug this the way I've got my whole life set up. Everything is plugs into. It's gonna be interesting. I hate taking it off and on. So there we go. Plug it in. Like even the band feels thicker. That band is just slightly thicker than the other one. Not that it's bad, but it is what it is. Okay, so I will have a bit of a review up for it in a little bit. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot away. Thanks.